Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Unice once again. Let's go ahead and get into the packaging. So as you know, I've been loving the upgraded package. It just is so sleek and very sturdy. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing is the wig, which we're gonna get into. Before I get into that, let's see what else is in the package. So I got this little like booklet. This is so cute. I've never got one of these. It's just giving you, basically this is one of their bye knots collection wigs that we're about to get into, so it's giving you information on that. And let me tell you, these wigs, the construction on them look really good. It's very realistic. I love how professionally done everything looks. Everything is really nicely done. Yeah, they have little quotes and, you know, little sayings in it that I find so cute. I also got a pair of HD wig caps, and oh my god, this is a full-on 8-pair pack of lashes, guys. These lashes are very dramatic. Okay, so if you're going for a very dramatic flare, I'm gonna save these for carnival. They're super long, so yeah, if you want that dramatic flare. But oh my god, they give such good gifts. This right here is their Unice Bye Knots wig, and it's a 7x5 quick glueless lace water wave invisible knots wig, and it's 180% in density. It feels very full, I must say, and it's a 1B color. As you can see, it's a beautiful water wave curl pattern, and also, as I said, it's a wear and go, and this is a part of their Bye Knots collection. Been loving that. Been loving the Bye Knots collection a lot. It's very realistic and it just looks so good. Like, who wouldn't want that? It's very beginner friendly as well, very convenient to go ahead and install on your own. So these wigs usually come like pre-cut in the lace, as you can see, pre-plucked. You got, like, they did their swoops for you. The knots are already bleached for you. You don't need to do that. And there's also a adjustable elastic band inside with the non-slip areas on the elastic, which makes it so secure on your head. All right, they also added the non-slip like silicone, so I love the fact that they added it to the perimeter of the cap as well. And then they added a total of, well, there's only one comb in this cap today, only one, so you could keep the back very secure on your head. I mean, with this you really don't need any more combs. All right, and this is adjustable, so this really keeps the wig very secure on your head, and I am loving it. So now let me just go ahead and jump into quickly installing this. It's gonna be so quick, so easy. Wow, this is super snugged. All right, so usually I find that so the parting is lean and the swoops are too long for my face, but you know, I usually fix that if that doesn't work out for me. This is very secure. Let me just, before I even fix these swoops, let me shake it and show you. Guys, you see that? In terms of the swoops, I'm gonna fix that right away. So I'm just gonna, you know, put it further apart, and then it's also too long for my face. So that's how I did my swoops. The sideburn portion is my hair. So yeah, that's how I usually finesse these closure wigs. Now, as I said, the parting is lean, but we're gonna get into that in a few. What I want to do is further, like, you know, just a teeny bit. You see in the lace edge, just a little bit. So what I'll do is go into my powder. You can use your foundation if you wish, but I don't usually like using foundation. It's a little bit too heavy for the lace, and I don't like when my lace is filled with too much product. The lighter it is, the better it feels on my head, the more flawless it looks in person. You know, you don't want your lace looking gunky. So me personally, I can't deal with it. If you can, then you do what works for you, but I I can't deal with it. So that looks good, right? So before I even move any further, what I want to show you guys is that you can go in and part this wig anywhere you feel. If you want to do a nice deep side part, you can get it. If you want to do a center part, you know, it already came showing you guys that you can, you know, wear it in a center part. But we're gonna do a side part. I'm gonna just part throughout the lace portion to show you your options in terms of parting it. So see that? A nice deep side part. Look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? That is so flawless. And let me tell you, the bye bye knots feature, really, the knots aren't very visible. Everything look way more like scalp, and that's what makes these wigs so bomb. Like, they look like actual scalp. I definitely want to go ahead and straighten my parting because this came super lean.
Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces.
Guys, that is so flawless. So flawless. I'm gonna go ahead and get it wet. It's definitely shedding, all right, but it's on a minimal level. I don't know if you guys can see the strands. I've got a couple strands out there. That looks like scalp. So guys, this is it. It looks so good. It is so secure on my head. I love how natural the parting looks. The knots are way more minimized than usual, so yeah, you see no adhesive. These waves are gorgeous. The hair is nice and full and realistic looking. So I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications, all the details. If I have any discount codes, that will be listed there. You guys know Black Friday is coming up, so look out for the deals. And yeah, shout out to Unice once more. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Every time you hold me, take me